It's just a quick screencast showing how to install the Guest Additions on Kali. First off, we go to Devices, Insert Guest Additions CD. If you wait, it'll come up on your desktop. Just double click it. Look for VBox Linux Additions.run. Right click it. Open terminal here. At your terminal, just type ls-l just to make sure that you are correct, and we can see our VBox Linux Additions here. Then we'll type in sudo sh /VBox Linux Additions.run, and then hit enter. Put in your username, your password I mean, and let it go. Okay. Once it's installed, you can just then eject the CD.